they do it, but it's for people who are out to sea, like in the middle of the ocean. And you can really it's called the fish block.
That's how you get that apart like that? Oh, so those are my two. I mean, I put it in here and how much? Yeah, and then you gave me this. I'm just saying, like, I would have been mad as hell all the way home, and I would have tried to run this stuff, it would have been this. I would have been like, oh my God, no.
You know what? I haven't kissed you in a long time, girl. They can hear me?
Yeah, you probably see it now too.
Oh, it's like, stop. Hey, but let me get you one time. Oh,
that was right as hell.
Oh wait, what happened to the light?
You took it off. It probably stopped.
Nah,
Did it stop?
I pressed something.
No, you pressed off the light off.
Oh yeah, look. But it do, that's Texas, you feel me right there. That's YouTube. Ready YouTube. Nah, he knows. You don't want to be on YouTube? Delete that. Nah, but that was all the fireworks. They can edit it. They can edit it, you feel me? Hey, what it do, bro? This nigga, nigga, you was meant for TV or something, man. What is going on? But you trying to be on YouTube? Nah, you want it. You want it.
Puerto Rican dude, we trying to get off.
Yeah, tell them niggas where y'all from, man. Tell YouTube where you from.
Oh, you feel me? I'm from Skyline Park, you feel me? TBA, top of the hill, San Diego, Southeast, you feel me? East side, you feel me? Wait, one time, look, hey, put the camera on me one time. The tattoo ain't that big, you feel me? East side, there you go, you feel me? Just a little tattoo, ESP. If you can see it on the knuckles, you feel me? Real live out here, you feel me? Niggas smoke that dodo, you feel me? That loud. Niggas ain't even knowing, bruh. You feel me? We keep it real. Damn, nigga, you feel me? Like, nigga, can you see my eyes, nigga? No.
Hey, now Kevin Hart, speak with your chest, little nigga.
You feel me? Don't poke out, nigga. Just be about it. You feel me? One time. Wait, hold on, wait. Put it on them one time. We don't even know them. Just put it on them. How y'all doing? Happy 4th of July. You feel me? Shout out from TBA. You feel me? You like YouTube? You like YouTube? Hey, YouTube, TBA. We don't even know them, but hey, happy 4th of July. You feel me?
Those are friendly neighbors.
But I want the.
No, that's on me. That's on me.
Oh, that's on you.
Yeah, that's on me.
Show them. Let me show them that loud. You got that loud?
That's not official right here. It's
not official?
on you know, because we keep it lit around here. You feel
Right.
me? Keep that shit lit. You know what I'm saying? Magnetic P, by the way.
That's that loud, huh? That. Blow it in the camera. That's good. Damn. That shit tastes good.
That's official right there. There ain't no denying that. That's not loud.
Look, hey, so
That's
you feel me?
loud.
It's true. You feel me? She came down from Bama, fucking with the Cali niggas, smoking on some dodo. You going back with some dodo? She gonna go back with some dodo.
Hey,
Feel me? He don't want to be on camera. We forgot. He couldn't now. You feel me? I wear my. Shut the fuck up. You was starting to say that night, nigga. So look, they go Kyle one time. Look, I'll get it. What it do? Camera time? Alright, hold on. Freestyle time.
Bring the camera back, though. What the fuck? You don't got a spotlight, nigga?
Spotlight, nigga.
Yeah,
It is a spotlight, nigga. Hold on. Okay, one time. Hey, the fireworks is over?
Not a stain on me. Come on, nigga. It's over.
Are you gonna do what you gonna do? Cause it's a long ass recording. Motherfuckers like y'all niggas is having a lot of fun for no reason. Just smoking hella high.
Camera down.
I put the camera down. I gave up on that. Give that to the bus. I gave up on the mission.
Get the fuck, yeah. I blow that good tree. Hella hydro. I don't give a fuck.
Oh shit. He tried to go on my private part.
Oh, I gotta go.
What David? Where's David?